Well, we're here at the National Western Stock Show with George Hubbard with Magness Cattle Company, based in Colorado, and a Limousin operation. Wanted to just talk with you a little bit about the operation and about some of your breeding and what you see in demand in Limousin Seedstock cattle. So I guess if you could start out, just tell us a little bit about the operation, where you're located, and some general information.
We have two locations. The main headquarters is in Platteville, Colorado, which is just north of Denver, about 45 minutes. And then we have a southern division, which I'm the manager of, in Miami, Oklahoma. It's in the very northeast corner there. We do all the spring calving in Colorado and do all the fall calving in Oklahoma.
And you're primarily Limousin Seedstock?
We are Limousin and Limflex Seedstock. We have been in the Limousin business since the late 70s. The owner, Gary Magness, his dad, was one of the first gentlemen into the Limousin breed. And then just recently, probably in the last 8 or 10 years, we've put some focus on the Limflex cattle.
What kind of demand are you encountering, or what kind of traits are you finding that the commercial customers are really looking for in Limousin bulls, and kind of how the Limousin fits into their breeding programs?
As always, I mean, different parts of the country are looking for different things. Our operation here in Colorado, we see a lot of people coming in and liking the Limflex cattle. Just that they add a little more maternal ability. They're still able to get some muscle and some cutability from the Limousin side of things, but as well they carry some maternal ability into those programs. Where I'm at in Oklahoma, we're probably more on the Limousin side, that our commercial guys are really looking for the muscle and the cutability that the cattle offer, and still maintain the birth weight in them, and that's probably the most important for our commercial guys, is that they're looking for birth weight, and they don't want to have to lose any calves because of birthing problems or anything like that. So it depends kind of where we're at, but and that's one of the main reasons why we have a focus on two different areas in terms of the breed that we're in.
Are a lot of the customers using the Limousin cattle in crossbreeding programs, or are some of those maintaining Limousin cow herds?
It's funny you say that. I mean, that goes kind of back in my part of the world. There is still a lot of Limousin commercial cows in the country. So we get a lot of guys that come in that their cow herd could be anywhere from half-blood Limousin on up to purebred cows that they still run, and they're able to use some Limflex bulls to put some more maternal in there. We see in Colorado and kind of the western part that we sell into that it is in a crossbreeding. It's probably a black cow herd, and they're putting those Limflex bulls on those cows.
Of course, in today's market, that extra weight that you can put into the weaned calves or yearlings, however you're working, is going to be worth a lot of money. So I'm sure that producers are looking for the right birth weight, but also some cattle that really have some growth potential.
Oh yeah, with cattle prices the way they are now, I mean, we still sell the majority of them by the pound, so the performance is really good, and we still can keep the performance in the Limflex cattle, that those guys can come in and get that maternal edge, but still be able to have that performance injected into their cow herd.
And I know that the Limousin cattle are really kind of known for producing high quality beef, but lean beef, and I know that there's some niche programs out there, some branded programs that focus on that might fit pretty well for some of your customers who use Limousin genetics.
Yeah, we work closely. One of those is Lore's Lean. They've been a great supporter and buyer of Limousin cattle, and that's been a great help for the breed. And we've had our customers, we ourselves and our customers work closely with them. They get a little premium for those, and we worked with some other programs as well that are into that lean beef program, that high muscle kind of program. So you're exactly right.